Hi guys, now let us continue with the topic, the blood group. In this area, we will do some problems. The NEET examination, problems are being asked based on the genotypes of the children and the parent. Let us take the first question. The father is of blood group A and the mother is of the blood group B. The question, what are the possibilities of the children with the genotypes? Or what are all the possibilities of the children with the blood group A or B or AB or O, etc. For this we have to take up the genetic makeup. For A group, the genotype will be IA, IA and IA, I0. For mother, the blood group is B, the genotype will be IB, IB and IB, I0. So what are the gametes formed here? This will form one gamete, IA. This will form two gametes, IA and I0. IA is already there, so let us take the gamete I0. Likewise, the IB will form one gamete, IB. This will form, IB, I0 will form two gametes, out of which we will take I0 since IB is already there. So during combination, the IA may combine to form IB to form the genotype IA, IB, which will give the blood group AB. The IA may combine to form I0 to form the genotype IA, I0, which gives the blood group A. Likewise, the IB may combine to form IB with IO will give IB, I0. This will give the blood group B. The I0 and I0 will combine to form the genotype I0, I0 or IO, IO, which will give the blood group O. So here all the possibilities are here. When the blood group is A for father and the blood group is B for mother, they get the children, the possibilities are they may get the children with AB type, the children with A blood group, some may with B group, some may with O group. So all the four possibilities are available in this problem. This is one. Now let us take up another problem. Father is AB and mother is B group. What are the possibilities? So here the genotype will be IA, IB. For B, the genotypes will be IB, IB and IB, I0. What are the gametes formed? Here the gametes will be IA, IB, here IB and I0. So this IA will combine with IB to form IA, IB. This will give the blood group AB. IA and IO will combine to form the genotype IA, I0 or IO. This gives the blood group A. Then this I0 may combine with IB to form IB, I0, which results in blood group B. IA and I0 will form the blood group A. So here also you get the possibility A, B and AB. There is no possibility of O group here. You must understand. So here if one parent is AB and other parent is B, the possibilities will be A group, B group and AB group. There is no possibility of O group. Then next, let us come to another problem. Parent is AB or father is AB and mother is O. So what are the genotypes? IA, IB here I0, I0. So what are the gametes formed here? IA and IB. Here only I0. IA gamete may combine to form I0 to form IA, I0. This will result in the blood group A. And IB will combine to form with the blood group IO, IB, IO, which gives the blood group B. So here there are two possibilities, A blood group and B blood group. O and AB is not possible. So even though father is AB, there is no possibility of AB here. Likewise, mother is O, there is no possibility of O group in the children. So you must understand the concepts. Okay? Now, another type of problem a child will be having the genotype IA, IB. So child is having the genotype IA, IB. And the father with the genotype IA, IA. The question here is, the mother could not be a woman of the genotype A, IB, IB, we will explain. Second option, IB, I0. Third option, I0, I0. Fourth option, IA, IB. So here the question has been asked in the need. A child is having the genotype IA, IB, whose father's genotype is IA, IA. Now the question is, the mother should not have the genotype. Out of these four, which are the genotype the mother should not have? So child is IA, IB, father is IA, IA. Out of these four options, only one is wrong. We have to find out. So naturally it is very easy. On seeing it itself we can find out there is no I0, I0 in the child and father. So the mother should not have the genotype I0, I0. The answer should be I0, I0. The child is having the genotype IA, IB and father is having IA, IA genotype. The mother will not have the genotype I0, I0. This is the answer. So on seeing it, you can easily find out. We can work it out also, but can easily find out because there is no I0 in the child of